I was born in eastern Samoa, but I grew up in Hawaii. Pursuing Polynesian tattooing, that was a comfort zone for me because I was familiar with the motifs and I could grab a hold of it because that was my first language. Polynesian tattooing is a body of work of different styles from different places. Hawaii, New Zealand, Samoa, Tonga, New Caledonia, parts of Fiji. We see a lot of sea creatures in our tattoo works because that was the environment of our ancestors. They were natural voyagers. They went from each island and settled there, settled here. That's why you see so many ocean-based motifs. The recent revival of Polynesian tattooing has a lot to do with people trying to find their cultural roots, their identity. When I put these designs on people, they're taking a piece of me and my culture with them. Polynesian tattooing has been around for thousands of years, and I don't see it going away anytime soon.